Hello, in this video we'll be unboxing GoPro Hero Black 11. So you can open it right here. Sadly, you'll need to cut the box to do it, and let's just do it like this. That way we can access the actual box with a camera. So it's made out of some kind of material. It's I'm not sure what, but it will for sure protect and store your camera fine. Now let's open it with a zip. Inside there'll be instructions, probably some warranties, it says that your camera must be updated before you can use it, so you can install the app for your Android or iPhone and then connect the camera with it. That way you'll be able to perform the system or software update on this device. There's a USB-C to USB cable. Battery. And here's some camera attachments, so you can put it on something. The camera itself. And it's covered in some paper as well as screen foil. Right here there's also foil on the camera itself and on the back, which says that your camera must be updated before you can use it, and that would mean we need to download the app. Here's a pardon me, the box that's basically the same material as a egg package, I guess, at least in my country, and it's recyclable. That's fine. So now let's actually remove the paper. And that's how the camera looks like. Quick record button, power button. Here you can attach your camera to the stick or whatever you want. On the right side you can open it to get access to the SD card slot or charge or battery itself. So you can open it like this, pull it towards you, and here you can insert battery. There's also USB-C port so that you can charge it when the battery is in, or probably access some files. And right here you can insert your SD card storage or memory card. And that's basically it for this unboxing. Let me find the battery as well. It's right here, just to show you how to insert it. So when you look on the battery, it needs to be aligned with the yellow, this yellow sticks, or however you call it, and simply put it in and close the lid. You can use this paper right here to pull it out or stick it in, then close it, and right here you can power on the camera. So that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.